So I'm going to demonstrate how to install Vega, which essentially scans websites for different web vulnerabilities. So in order to install, we'll first need to install this that will not work. Vega will not work if it does not have this installed. If you try installing it just the way your system is, it wouldn't work. You just need to add this resource list just because this is very old and it's no longer supported. You can add that apt update and then you can install. As you can see, I already have it installed. And another thing you need to do is go into Java. And then on Java, you need to, as you can see, it's on mode 0, which is auto mode. And you essentially want to change that to manual. So change it to 2. So once you have those 2 steps done, you can now go onto subgraph who makes Vega and install the version. So in this case, Linux 64-bit. So I have that downloaded right here, and then you can extract it where you want it. In my case, it is extracted to downloads. So I'll just go there. We can now run Vega. Just wait for it to open. Okay, and with Vega it's pretty simple. So one of the things you want to do at first is under Windows you can go to Preferences. And with Preferences, if you have proxy, you can add that there, which we're not going to do. And then just one thing I want to change is scanner. So this by default number of requests per second to send comes to 25. I set it to 5 just so that our website doesn't think we're doing a DDoS attack. If it's your own website, you can set it to 100 or whatever you feel will be best for you. So just to use it, so we go into scan, start new scan, and then we can just enter website. So the website I picked to do was Weebly, just because I searched out website and this was the first thing that came up. So we're gonna try this and see how that goes. Just add the URL there. So scope is default. We don't want to see what was previously seen. And then here injection modules, so you can basically filter out what you want to see. So there's overflow injection, shell injection, SQL injection, just different things. And there's several processing modules as well. You can configure all of these, see what you want to find. I'll just go to the next page, add cookies if you can, next. So these are the parameters you want to exclude. You can add, remove, and we can start the scan. So I let the scan run for about 6 minutes. It scanned about 5% of the website, and this is what it found. So it breaks everything down into high, medium, low, and just some information. So just look at it here. We can see high, we have cross-site scripting, low email addresses found, form password field with autocomplete enabled, and then info just cookie secure flag not set, blank body detected. So to go into more detail, we can come here to the side. Let's say we want to look at high. Just expand on that, and here it just gives us information on that. There's discussion, impact, remediation, references. So this essentially just explains to us what it is and what the issue. Okay, I guess this one doesn't work. But let's look at hello thread. So email address is found. So let's see if we can use the reference there. So here, so we can see email address harvesting, what it is, just so that if you scan something and you don't understand it, then you're able to figure out there. But yeah, this is basically the tool. You can see just from a very quick scan, only 5% of the website, we're able to get all of this. The thing with this tool is there are a lot of false positives, but there's definitely a lot of good information that can be found using this tool.